Backyard chefs don't just like it, they love it. The Weber Summit S-470 gas grill is designed with a demanding consumer in mind and delivers a generous supply of bells and whistles. The Summit gas grill arrives pre-assembled with only minor final assembly involving minutes, not hours. It's made to last and built to perform, crafted with only the finest materials and engineered to resist rust and discoloration. The body is comprised of a sturdy painted steel welded frame, intended to be practically indestructible, ensuring your grill will last for years. The stainless steel lid features a center-mounted thermometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. Framing the lid are painted cast aluminum end caps for added strength and durability. For the ultimate in convenience, Summit gas grills come with either one or two grill-out handle lights, each with a built-in sensor which automatically turns on when you lift the lid, putting the spotlight on the food where it should be. A roomy storage area is enclosed by stainless steel doors with polished chrome handles and painted side and rear panels. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and whatever barbecue tools you need to keep close. For safety as well as function, the Summit gas grill features two heavy-duty front locking casters and two heavy-duty back swivel casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. The Summit gas grill has large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The side tables are finished with painted cast aluminum end caps. The Summit gas grill meets every LP gas consumer's needs by featuring a backlit LED tank scale. Simple push-button functionality lets you know where you stand with fuel at all times. The SnapJet individual burner ignition system consistently and reliably lights each of the burners for ultimate and precise cooking control. Inside the Summit gas grill, heavy 9mm stainless steel rod cooking grates are built to retain heat and create perfect sear marks. The sturdy 12,000 BTU per hour input side burner makes the Summit a complete gas grill outdoor cooking station. The burner is large enough to accommodate sauté pans as well as saucepans and will allow you to conveniently finish your cooking process at one time in one place. The high-powered 10,000 BTU per hour input Sear Station burner is designed to step up the heat on demand for perfectly seared steaks, roasts, and chops. Your meals will have a tantalizing smoky flavor when you turn your grill into a smoker by using the integrated stainless steel smoker box with its separate dedicated 6,800 BTU per hour input burner. The tuck-away rotisserie system with a rear-mounted infrared burner makes spit roasting foods simple. Use the infrared burner for 20 minutes, then turn it off and finish cooking using the indirect cooking method. The heavy-duty spit can hold up to 2 large birds at a time. After cooking, store the spit rod and forks in the enclosed cart area, while the rotisserie's flip-up motor will tuck into the side table when not in use. The Summit S-470 will surprise and delight you at every turn. From the side burner to the rotisserie, it's a griller's dream.